What's up guys, and welcome to the 6th C# tutorial, and today I'm going to cover switch statements. A switch statement is kind of like an if statement, but it's faster. So for example, we're going to have a number here, and we can for example do a switch, and we're going to switch between 200, or not, I mean number, and then modulo 2, because we want to check if it's even or odd. So if it's a case 0, so basically what this says is we're going to switch between the value over here. We can also switch between, for example, number. Let's do that first. In case it's 0, then colon, and then here you're gonna, for example, do console.writeLine. And over here we're gonna put, for example, the number is 0. Then after that you're gonna break it, so it doesn't keep looping. So we're gonna do this here for case 1, console.writeLine. The number is 1. So basically when it's 1, we're gonna print this. Then there's one more thing you should know about the switch statement, which is default, which is also a case that's anything that's not something you've checked. So it's basically like an else. So if you want to compare this to an if statement, basically what this does is if number is equal to 0, then it's gonna perform this code. If number or else if number is equal to 1, it's gonna do this code. Else it's gonna do this code, which we're gonna write now. And we're gonna say the number is different and break the loop. So if we run the code now, as we can see, our number is 200. So it's gonna say the number is different. Oh, and as you can see, we forgot console.readLine, so it doesn't close instantly. Look, the number is different. If we're gonna change it to 1, the number is 1. We're gonna change it to 0, the number is 0. And this could be really useful in some cases. For example, we can do the even or odd statement faster. So if we are gonna switch between number modulo 2, remove this. If the case is 0, so if there's nothing left after dividing it by 2, in that case we're gonna say the number is even, because we have nothing left and it's divisible by 2. So we can't do something like this in here. That's not possible. Case more than 0. That's not possible. Look, it's gonna give an error. Represents a boolean true or false, invalid expression term. So we're gonna need to do this by putting a default, which is basically everything else except 0. So everything that's not 0, so it could be like 1, or yeah, basically I guess that's 1. If you divide something by 2, there's always 1 left. So you might be able to do case 1. But to make it more clear, we'll just use default. So the number is odd, we're gonna say here. So we run the code, and the number is even. Let's change this to, for example, 99. The number is odd. So as you can see, this works. And this is way shorter than writing an if statement, and it's way more clear. So yeah, that was basically it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Like if you liked the video, and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. And I'll see you in the next video.